In this video, we'll explore how 401k works, guide you on choosing the right type, discuss ways to grow your money, save big on taxes, and reveal the best part, how to get free money from your employer. Hello, I'm Wanka Ekchan, also known as Ohan the Money Doctor. If this is your first time on this channel, thank you for stopping by. I'm a doctor of economics and a certified financial planner professional with over 20 years of financial industry experience. And this YouTube channel is about simplifying personal finance, saving, investing, and building wealth. In this video, we will start by exploring what 401k is. We will cover the most common types and help you choose the best option to save big on taxes. I will go over rules for putting in and taking out money and share tips on investing to grow your 401k funds. If you stick around until the end, I will reveal my favorite benefit, how the 401k match works, so you get the free money from your employer. Whether you have just landed a new job or you have been working for a while and you are now exploring your 401k options, you have came to the right place. Let's start with a basic question. What is 401k? 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement savings plan, or simply an account that allows you to set aside a portion of your paycheck for your golden years. Your contributions can be made with pre-tax or post-tax dollars, depending on your 401k account type. Now let's go over two most common types of 401k accounts, traditional and Roth. The traditional 401k offers tax benefits up front, while the Roth 401k grows tax-free. Let me explain. For traditional 401k, you don't pay tax on the money now, and you take it out of your current income, which lowers your taxable liability. But you need to pay taxes when you take this money out. In case of the Roth 401k, money that you are contributing is taxed up front, meaning you already pay taxes on it. And you don't pay taxes when you take the money out during your retirement. One important point to consider: in case of both traditional and Roth 401k, matching contributions provided by an employer are placed in a traditional 401k. You are paying taxes on these funds when you take them out during retirement. I will discuss the 401k match and reveal why it is often referred to as free money, or as I call it, no-brainer decision, if you stay until the end of this video. Now the big question: traditional or Roth 401k? It boils down to knowing your future tax bracket. If you anticipate being in a higher tax bracket during retirement, the Roth option may be the way to go. You better pay taxes upfront with a lower tax rate and take the money out tax-free during retirement. But if you are not planning to work or have income during retirement, this will potentially put you in a lower tax bracket, and the traditional 401k can be a better choice for you. Contributing to your 401k is key. So let's dive in and discuss the 401k contribution rules. In general, traditional 401k contributions lower your taxable income. For instance, if you earn $70,000 and contribute $10,000 to your traditional 401k, you will be taxed on only $60,000, resulting in lower taxes for the year. Hence, the traditional 401k gives you the benefit of lowering your taxable income. You pay less taxes. For Roth 401ks, as I have already mentioned, you contribute after tax dollars. When you reach retirement, you can withdraw both the contributions and the earnings on them entirely tax-free. There are maximum contribution limits for both types, so be sure to check the current limits using the link I will provide below this video description. When you deposit money into your 401k, it is crucial to understand where it goes. Typically, contributions consist of cash or employer stocks. One important point before we move on: a 401k is an account, not an investment itself. After contributing, it is your responsibility to invest the funds. Otherwise, the money will sit as cash, not grow, and even worse, may lose its purchasing power due to inflation over time. Most plans offer various investment choices. The simplest and the easiest investment choice is so-called target date funds. Make sure to pick a target date fund with low fee. Target date funds automatically diversify your investments based on your age and retirement timeline. The fund's name usually includes the target retirement year, such as target date fund 2030, 2035, 2040, 2045, and so on. As retirement approaches, the fund becomes more conservative, which means less risk. While target date funds are a simple option for your 401k, there are other choices like mutual funds and my favorite one, the index funds. Consider low-cost and well-diversified index funds depending on how hands-on you want to be with your 401k investments. Whether you pick mutual funds, index funds, or stick to a target date fund, prioritize potential returns with minimum cost. Always check investment fees. Even seemingly small fees can add up fast and impact your retirement savings. Now that you understand what a 401k is and how to handle your contributions, let's dig into how you can withdraw your money when needed. Stay tuned until the end because I will share the best part about 401ks, and it is how to get free money. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below any question you have about 401ks, and I might answer them in my upcoming videos. Now let's talk about withdrawing money from your 401k. If you take money out before age 59 and a half, you will face a 10% early withdrawal penalty. For traditional 401ks, you also pay income tax since the withdrawn money was never been taxed. At age 73, you must take a required minimum distributions or RMDs from your traditional 401k, and not doing so will result in paying a penalty. Roth 401ks, however, don't require mandatory distributions starting 2024, but there is a way to use your retirement savings without paying penalties or taxes. I'm talking about 401k loans, which I don't recommend, because taking a loan means selling your investments and missing potential returns during the loan period. There are exceptions allowing penalty-free withdrawals for certain situations, such as medical expenses or disability. And I will place another link in the description below for the full list. As I promised, now let's dive into 401k match, a crucial benefit. Your employer's match is like free money, making it the top reason to participate in 401k plan ASAP. This is essentially a 100% return on your contributions. Employer matches can significantly boost your retirement savings over time. It's money your company adds to your 401k based on what you contribute yourself. Each company has its own formula. For example, 100% or 50% match up to a certain percentage from your salary, like 4, 5 or 6%. For example, if your company offers 100% match up to 5% of your annual salary and you make $50,000, they will match your contributions up to $2,500, 5% of your salary. So if you contribute $2,500, your total 401k contribution becomes $5,000, with half of it being free money. This employer match is a powerful benefit that can significantly boost your retirement savings. It is a no-brainer to participate in a 401k with a match. While contributing enough to get the full match is a wise move, consider contributing even more. Start contributing to your 401k as soon as possible, beginning with a comfortable amount. Many plans offer automatic contribution increases over time. Align this with your budget and retirement goals. Consider increasing your contribution by 1 or 2% every 6 months or a year. Saving and investing in your 401k is a smart financial decision. Thank you so much for checking out this video. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't downloaded my free guide to jumpstart your investing and building wealth, it is available totally free, and I will leave the link in the description below. See you in my next video.